For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
In a shocking revelation, National Investigative Agency stated that Swapna Suresh had links with Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan's office. This development comes as an unexpected twist in the sensational Kerala gold smuggling case. Additional Solicitor General P. Vijay Kumar, who appeared for NIA, submitted the report in the NIA Special Court. He stated that Swapna Suresh had a casual association with the Chief Minister's office through former Principal Secretary M. Sivasankar. Sivasankar had gone out of the way to appoint Swapna in the Kerala government's Space Park, and he used to advise her on many issues. But Sivasankar did not interfere in the release of the diplomatic baggage despite repeated pleas from Swapna. As per NIA, Swapna Suresh admitted that she knew Pinarayi Vijayan while working with the consulate. She further added that she used to relay the information from Consulate General during iftar meetings and parties. Interestingly, NIA also told the court that Swapna Suresh was working with the UAE consulate even after resigning. During the investigation, we discovered that Swapna Suresh was working with the UAE consulate even after resigning and was being paid $1,000 as remuneration. People part of the gold smuggling ring were paid 50,000 rupees by Swapna for each consignment. However, Swapna's counsel Geo Paul denied the allegations and said that the agency did not make such statements before the court. NIA did not make any such mentioning before the court, and the UAPA sections charged against Swapna Suresh does not have any standing in the court of law. The NIA counsel has not mentioned anything that related her to the Chief Minister personally, his office, or the office operations. She might know him like how you and I would know the CM. The case will be heard again on August 10th. The council further stated that Swapna Suresh was made a victim in the tug of war between centre and state. She was made a victim in the tug of war between the centre and state governments. Even a month after the investigation began, the NIA had failed to produce any fresh evidence against the accused. The court later observed it will decide the bail plea on Monday. Meanwhile, NIA personnel had opened the two bank lockers of Swapna Suresh as part of the investigation. They found 1 crore rupees and 2 kg of gold in these lockers. These lockers were in a joint name of Swapna Suresh and a chartered accountant. As soon as the NIA affidavit came out, opposition parties stepped up pressure seeking the resignation of Kerala's Chief Minister. Opposition leader Ramesh Chennithala even staged a dharna in Delhi regarding the sensational case. The Chief Minister's office is under cloud after his secretary's role came out in the smuggling case. Pinarayi Vijayan is Narendra Modi of Kerala, and he never tolerates any healthy criticism. This is the first time a CM's office is coming under such a charge. Over 30 kg gold worth 15 crore rupees was seized in Thiruvananthapuram International Airport on July 5th. The airport authorities seized the gold in a consignment which was meant for the consulate of UAE. The Customs Department opened the consignment baggage after it received a tip-off about gold smuggling through the diplomatic channel. Swapna Suresh, who is the main accused in the 30 kg gold scandal, was arrested along with Sandeep Nair by the NIA in Bengaluru.